Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bernardo, and if you're new here, I'm a futures trader who's been in the market since 2023. Over the past years, I've been fully dedicated to understanding price action, market structure, and the discipline it takes to survive and thrive in the futures market. In this video, I break down my journey, my strategies, the lessons I've learned the hard way, and the insights that can help you navigate this world with more confidence. And trading isn't just about charts and numbers, it's about mindset, consistency, and the ability to stay calm when the market tries to shake you out. So if you're looking to grow as a trader, learn from real experiences, and follow someone who is in the trenches every single day, you are in the right place. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned because the video you are about to watch is packed with value and you don't want to miss what's coming next. And one last thing, if you want to receive my free playbook with all my strategies, just click the link in the description and you'll get it right away. Let's go to the video. So you're probably watching this video because you lost a lot of money day trading, forex, crypto, indices, stocks, whatever it is. Something didn't go the way you thought it would. And first of all, let me say this clearly, you're not stupid, you're not broken, and you're definitely not alone. I'm here to help you with the one thing that destroys more trading accounts than bad strategies ever will, and that's trading psychology. Because the mindset you need to be a day trader, and more importantly, a profitable day trader, this is not random, it's not talent-based, it's not luck, it's systematic. So, in this video, I'm going to give you 5 rules that you absolutely must follow if you want to improve your trading psychology. Calm down when you're trading and stop bleeding money every single time you open the charts. Now, let's be real for a second. People do not hype trader psychology into YouTube unless they've lost a substantial amount of money. Nobody does that after a winning streak, okay? So, if that's you, first, I'm genuinely sorry if you lost money. I've been there. I've done the same thing more times than I would like to admit. But second, and more importantly, I'm here to help you fix it. Let me describe exactly what you're probably doing right now. You open the charts, you're watching price action, you see a huge move, the market is flying, green candles everywhere, momentum looks insane, and you think, okay, this thing is moving, I'm getting right now, I'll just scalp a little bit, grab some quick money, and get out. So you enter the trade, price goes into profit, but you don't take it. Why? Because now you're thinking, it's going to go higher, why would I exit now? I don't want to miss out. Then suddenly, the candle turns red. And you say, no, it's fine, it's just a pullback. Then it goes a little more against you, and now you're thinking, as soon as it gets back to my entry, I'll get out at break even. But it doesn't, and it keeps going down and down and down. And at this entry point, you're not trading anymore, you're hoping. Your stop loss doesn't exist, your plan doesn't exist, your emotions are completely in control, and eventually your control is gone. If that sounds familiar, welcome to the club. You're now part of the 95% of the traders who lose money. But here's the good news. That number exists for a reason, and it's not because the market is impossible. It's because most people trade without rules. So let me show you exactly how this happens. Because this pattern repeats itself every single day in the markets, when you jump onto the charts, you see something like this. A strong uptrend, nice slope, big green candles, then you get this massive bullish engulfing candle. It breaks previous levels, looks beautiful, looks obvious. So you buy. The very next candle turns red. But because you don't have a real strategy and because your stop loss is way too tight, you get stopped out. The price starts consolidating, then another bullish candle forms, and then you think, oh my God, there it is. I knew it was going up. So you buy again. Same thing happens, your stop loss is too tight, you get stopped out again. The price goes up one more time and now you're frustrated, emotional, and thinking, see, it's going up, right? I'm getting in and holding this time. So you buy again, stop loss too tight, stopped out again. Yeah, and this repeat over and over and over until eventually you say, okay, last one, I'm holding this no matter what. And that's the moment the market drops. This is not bad luck, this is not manipulation, this is psychology. This is the gambler's mentality. And people capitalize on this behavior every single day. That's why you must have a rule-based trading strategy. So what does that actually mean? A rules-based trading strategy means this. When you're starting out, you create one strategy, you backtest it, you demo trade it, you forward test it. And that strategy is the only thing you trade. For example, let's say you're using a moving average strategy. You only take short positions when price is below the 21 SMA. You only take long positions when the price is above it. That's one rule. Then you add confluences. Maybe your momentum is bearish, so that's 2. Maybe you use candle patterns like a doji followed by a bearish engulfing candle. That's 3. And now you're having 3 conditions that must be met before you enter a trade. You don't trade because the price is moving. You don't trade because you're bored. You don't trade because you feel it. You literally write your rules down on a piece of paper, and before you click buy or sell, you check the list. Simple as that. So if one condition isn't met, you don't do nothing. Okay? That's how you remove emotion. So rule number 1, rule-based trading strategy. Trade on rules, trade on logic, trade on data. Thanks for watching the video so far. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like and leave a comment telling me what you think about a video, and don't forget about a playbook. I'm always updating the playbook, so it's definitely worth checking out in the description. Rule number 2, do not trade on emotion. Emotional trading is gambling. When you're emotional, you're predictable, and predictable traders are easy to take money from. Fear, greed, FOMO, frustration, the market feeds on that. If you feel your heart rate spike when you enter a trade, that's a problem. Which brings us to rule number 3, proper risk management. This is massive. If your strategy is built around something like risking 1 or 2% per trade with a reward of 4 to 8%, the math starts working for you. That means you can lose multiple trades in a row and still be fine, right? Risk management turns trading into a numbers game, not an emotion one. Never ever enter a trade without a predefined stop loss and take profit. No exceptions. Okay? So rule number 4, do not overtrade. Too many pairs, too many charts, too many indicators. Your focus gets destroyed. Stick to 2 or 3 instruments, simplify your charts. More trades does not mean more money. It usually means more mistakes. And finally, guys, rule number 5, the most important one, do not revenge trade. Revenge trading is pure destruction. You lose money, you get angry, you try to force the market to give it back. And the market doesn't care. If you're angry, anxious, stressed, tired, or distracted, do not trade. Turn everything off and walk away. Trading while emotional is the fastest way to turn a small loss into a catastrophic one. When you follow these rules, something amazing happens. Trading becomes boring, and boring is good, okay? You place a trade, you set your stop loss and take profit, and you walk away. No sweating, no staring at the screen, no panic. And that's how professionals trade. So relax, keep it simple, build a system, use a demo account, prove it works, then slowly scale into real money. Consistency beats excitement. Every single time, guys. Remember this, consistency beats excitement. Thank you so much for watching the video all the way to the end. I hope you were able to take something valuable from it. As I mentioned it before, the playbook is in the link in my description. It's completely free, so it's definitely worth checking out. And don't forget to leave your like, share the video if you enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one.